Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and we just sent this really cool cloud sectional that's going to be over 111 inches long. I've just dumped it out of the boxes. It came in 3 separate boxes, but I mean this is built really well. All the side pieces here are all nice and firm. The fabric on this is so soft. This is a nice chenille type fabric, but it is extremely soft and it looks like it will be very durable. All of the parts are here, very simple. In fact, they even include the little tool that comes in there to help put some of those together, and a nice set of assembly instructions, which I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing unwrapped. It does have the cushions and everything in this come, obviously, you know, compressed, as a lot of them do. But by simply cutting those open and giving them a little time, they will go ahead and expand. So once we put this together, we're gonna usually let these sit anywhere from 48 to 72 hours to let them kind of fully cure out and fluff up. And then we will show you the product. So this is it. We've let it sit here for 48 hours. I mean, this is extremely comfortable. This fabric on this is really soft, appears to be very durable. I mean, this is stout. I weigh about 195 pounds and I'm 6'2", and this thing has a lot of spring and a lot of give, and it has that because it has this spring in the bottom. You have dual cushions that have springs that are nice and padded and everything else with these dual cushions on here. They provide you with ample pillows. So everything on this sits really nice, really comfortable. Everything on here, including like these back pillows, all have zippers. So if you need to take those off and wash them, you can obviously do that. Nice supportive back on that. Side pillows are great. Loving the fact this came with an Ottoman, which it also has exactly the same thing built in with Velcro that holds itself on there, but again, springs in both of these, so that's very durable. You could easily lay down on this, sleep on this very comfortably because it has a 29-inch seat depth. So the 29-inch seat depth really helps out. And this is modular, so you can move this and separate this out to several different levels. Now they do provide you with hardware that you can attach this together if you want to. But it's a really nice sofa and would work great in any room.